Okay,
How
give me
about
some.
doing good?
Well, you want some?
Unless you want it. I don't care.
Hey, buddy!
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
Run.
What?
Okay, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. You see the birds up there? They're just like, what? Oh my God! No! 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 Oh, you did it again! Oh my gosh! Hold on, I'm gonna stay here and videotape them. Oh my gosh! Allie, I think they're just chasing you! I don't have anything. I don't. Allie! I'm sorry. So many birds. I don't think you even saw.
You got it good. Because you weren't holding the bag.
No! They were chasing me!
They were chasing me way more because I had the fucking bag.
Where's the bag?
I fucking threw that shit. There was like 50 of them coming after me. I was like, fuck this.
No, like they thought I had it and I'm just like, I don't have
Yeah,
it!
as soon as they realized that you didn't, they came after me.
And then like I started running and they're just like, oh, she's running, so she better.
And
so
then
she
I
must
came
have
out there
it.
because I was about ready to dive in and run to the stairs.
I'm just like,
You were getting chased, so I'm like, oh damn it. And I went back to help you. And then they
my stomach hurts so much.
started chasing me. And since I had the bag, they kept chasing me more. And then
My
finally,
stomach?
I was just like, fuck this. And I threw the bag of chips and fucking ran.
My
my
stomach hurts so bad. Like my stomach's on fire.
I know, my hair looks like shit.
I really don't care what I look like because I was just freaking mauled by birds.
Yeah, I said, fuck that shit. I threw the bag. Just the entire bag.
Never do this again. That one was way horrible than the first one.
Oh my god. Dude, videotape them. There's like fucking 50 out there. Look at them.
Okay, I don't know if you could see this, but there's a shitload of birds.
Dude, look how many there are. There's like friggin'
And I still think we have them! Oh shit! Allie! I sound like a freaking... Go away! I don't have anything.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Can I see it? Did you see that?
Brittany, I never want to do this again.
Like, I'm gonna try to videotape the birds again, because every time I go over there, it's probably because I have my freaking iPod. They probably think my iPod's food.
You don't even know. They know me as the chip girl now. I'm the girl with the bag.
Hello, buddy.
Even though I don't have the bag anymore. I'm gonna throw rocks.
What? Now that I don't have food, you don't want me no more?
I'm gonna throw this rock at one. You see this? I'm throwing this at one.
It's just soaring on the ground. What the? thought they would.
Yeah, someone looks stupid now. Yeah, I think they realized that we don't have the food anymore. I threw the bag. Hey, let's go over by the bag.
Okay. They're probably gonna like freaking maul us again.
Take our time and walk, cause
My stomach hurts.
I'm out of breath. It's fucking birds.
I actually really do want to do this again. That's a good workout. Like fatties should like throw their chips and then have the birds like chase after them.
I know.
Look, they just dropped in the bag. They just like dragged it.
No, I said fuck the bag and I threw it and all of them. There was like, swear to God, 20 of them chasing me.
They're surrounding the freaking bag.
Look, that one's chasing the other one off. Look, it's like guarding the chips. Hey, what you gonna do to us, bitch? Huh? Huh?
Wait, let me see the bag.
I got the
Oh my God! They love that bag, man.
Holy shit. It's like a mess.
Yeah.
It's okay, you do too.
I didn't want to say no. But then
I already know. Running around.
well, birds are freaking chasing you and you're screaming like hell.
I know. But it's okay. You don't look so hot either. Oh, poor old guy. I hope he doesn't get eaten by the birds.
Aww. Okay. So
That was our little bird adventure.
fucking awesome, man. They're surrounding the fucking bag.
I know, they're like guarding it.
Holy shit. I'm tired,
My
man.
hair's a mess. I don't give a fuck. Okay, so that was the second time we decided to tease the birds today. Only this one didn't go very well.
I probably look like crap when I did that.
It's okay. Neither of us looks very good right now.
I mean, okay,
Do we
so
need to videotape this?
what?
Do we need to videotape us talking?
Oh, no, I was just about to say something. But, okay, so if you like this video, you should go out and buy chips, go to your local beach, and have birds chase you around.
If you don't have a beach, then oh well. You missed out on the terrifying
Sorry,
fun.
Georgians, Wisconsinians,
Or
whatever.
West Virginians. Because I used to live there. It was
New
horrible.
York City. Sorry, you can't do this.
Oh my God, I have sand in my eyes from running. Or its hair.
So I want to go back over there and like get the bag and run. I'm gonna do that. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna walk over there.
I'll
and
be
run.
the bag holder. So you can hold the camera.
Okay.
Either you
I'm
can
gonna,
hold the camera or the bag.
I'll hold the camera.
Okay.
I'm gonna like walk over there just nonchalantly. Oh my God, there's a bag right there.
Let's
See
just,
the bag?
let's just grab it and calmly walk.
Allie.
Keep walking. Just keep walking. Mind your own
Allie.
Or your stupid friends. I will fucking slit your throat.
Allie.
Don't run. Don't run. It'll cause a panic and they'll swarm even faster. Just calmly walk. Stay calm.
I'm gonna like do it in the sky to see if there's like a bird.
Stay.
Oh my God, Allie, they're following us.
Stay calm. Don't run. Just walk calmly.
You're gonna be on
Don't yell at them. Just walk calmly
video.
and stay quiet.
Spiral videos.
Okay,
I wanna run.
no, look at them. They're coming at us. They're gonna start running.
I don't want your chips. I don't want them. Just lay off. What?
Come at me, bird. Come at me.
Holy shit! I don't have the bag! You know what, bag? Come at me! Where the hell is the bag? Bitch! Hey! Back off my bag! I'm a human! Yeah! Run away, bitch! Oh, little baby bird! Back off! Come at me! Come on! See what happens? You're not gonna do nothing! Oh, look! I ain't scared of you no more! You see this? What?
You gonna do something?
Oh, you think you're big and bad because you're flying in the sky? Uh-huh. Yeah, run away!
Look, I got the bag. Look, birds aren't gonna do anything. They know that it's empty now. Well, I guess we'll leave it. I have to go get a new bag of seeds.
Come on, bitch!
Like maybe 1, 2, or 3 are gonna chase you, but the birds are dying.
Ugh. Yeah!
Hey! I'm the protector of this bag now. Bitches, it's my shit. Come on, birdies! Birdies! Look.
They're surrounding us, Allie!
Holy shit! Freaking 20 of them! Probably more. Here, I'm gonna try and count. Let's see. Starting over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35.
There's fucking 36 birds!
Oh my god! Oh my god. I wonder what would happen if we got a new bag of chips.
Hold this one.
We just went and chased birds.
Oh yeah. I am getting my headbook out because I want to watch this. You know, this is so
Well,
funny
maybe we
shit
should
right
end it then before we try and watch it. Still recording. My hair looks like shit.
Oh! Yeah!
Did you pause it? Look at all the birds.
Shitload of birds.
Dude, there's so many. Okay, well, this is the end of this video. Bye.
Hey!